Hello guys! So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely remove a team member from Asana. Now, if you've ever needed to take someone off a project or entirely remove them from your workspace, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do every step of the way. This is especially useful when a contractor finishes their work, a team member leaves the company, or someone no longer needs access to sensitive project information. First, you'll want to open up your Asana project. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a small button labeled Share. This button is your gateway to managing the members of your project. Click on it, and a list of all the current members involved in that project will appear before your eyes. From this list, you can clearly see each member's role within the project. The next step is to click on the specific member's role that you intend to remove. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options, and what you're looking to do here is select Remove from Project. By doing this, you'll successfully remove them from this particular project. Removing someone from a project does not delete tasks or comments they've already contributed, so your project history stays intact. However, if they're involved in multiple projects, you'll need to repeat this action for each one they're a part of. It's a straightforward but crucial step to ensure they're no longer part of any projects they shouldn't be in. Moving on, the next focus is removing them from the entire workspace or team. To start this process, you'll need to click on your profile icon, which is located at the top right of the screen. A variety of options will become available, but you'll want to look for an option labeled Admin Panel. Only workspace admins have access to the admin panel, so make sure you have the correct permissions before attempting this step. Clicking on this takes you to the administrative hub of your Asana workspace. Once inside the admin panel, navigate to the Members section. This part of the interface gives you a comprehensive list of everyone who is currently part of your workspace. From here, you can locate the person you want to remove and easily eliminate their access altogether. Simply click to remove them from the members list, ensuring they no longer have any access to any part of your team or workspace within Asana. After removal, you may want to reassign any active tasks owned by that person to avoid delays or missed deadlines. And that's really all there is to it. By following these simple yet crucial steps, you've ensured that the member is completely removed from both individual projects and the overall workspace. This process safeguards your team's integrity and makes sure that only the necessary individuals have access to your collaborative efforts. If you manage large teams or client workspaces, this cleanup step is something you should review regularly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this one.